Hi, I'm Meg Anderson, founder of Luminary Works, an editorial services firm in Atlanta. I can help you avoid typos. In my custom proofreading workshops, I'll teach you and your team how to catch and correct grammatical mistakes using features and software programs you're already using: Microsoft Word, Microsoft Outlook, and Google Docs. Ready for your first tip? Okay, this one's about email, and it doesn't matter whether you use Outlook, Gmail, or some other email program. So we've all sent emails before we were ready, right? We've misspelled our boss's name or our client's name, or maybe just hit send before we meant to. The good news is this type of error is totally preventable. All you have to do is address the email last. Instead of filling out those fields first, do that at the very end after you've had the chance to double or even triple check your email. Find out more about setting up a custom proofreading workshop for your team. Learn more at luminaryworks.com.